Hi everybody, welcome to Team Valley's how-to videos. We're here with Jojo, who's got a couple of questions about some simple checks on our car. So either if you're a young driver, just pass your test, or an older driver and you don't quite know how to check your oil, your water, or anything like that, you can watch these how-to videos and me and Jojo will show you how to do it. So Jojo's question today is, what?
How do you check the oil?
Check the oil, Jojo. So, same as most of your checks, you've got to open the bonnet. So you just come around here, pull this lever towards you. You'll see the bonnet lift up. So then put your hand just above the badge on this car. And then once that is up, that'll take the safety catch off. Lift up, that's orange. That goes with that orange dot there. That's the bonnet up. So you're looking for bright colours. You got so blue, and orange. So blue is normally water. Orange here is for your oil. So you basically just take your dipstick out.
Yeah.
And we'll just grab some cloth. Then just take that out of there. Just wipe off what you got there. So on here, you've got a minimum mark here and a maximum here. So oil level needs to be within the marks. So just put that back in. Let that settle on there. And bring it back. And yours is perfect. It's just on the top mark there. All right?
Yeah.
Then just put that back in there. Just make sure that clicks all the way down so it seals. If that level was a little bit low, you just take that off. You top up the right amount in there. Just top up a little bit at a time and just keep checking. About 100 ml at a time. Keep checking it so you don't overfill it. It's not very good to have too low of a level, but it's just as bad to have too much in.
Okay.
So Jojo now knows how to check oil. We'll see you next time.